And we need to build a new airport. Tuwache upuzi. We need to build a new airport. Friends, honestly, sasa ile kitu yetu iko hapo JKA, canvas, iko kwa runway. Sasa tunaongea nini? And you see, there are some people defending. No, you see, Ruto anataka kuuza airport. Mimi nataka niuze airport niende nifanyie kitu gani? You know, Qatar here is building an airport in Rwanda under the same framework. Are we together? So I had a conversation with the Emir today, and we have put on the table what we are going to do with our airport, what are we going to do with Kenya Airways, and all the other things. Because, you know, the kind of investment we need kwa hiyo airport yetu is possibly almost 200 billion Kenya shillings. We don't have to put our money. We have money in the private sector